한 기후변화 회의론자와 옹호론자가 대화를 나눕니다.
Because I don't believe that man has anything to do with it. Climate has changed since before man existed on the planet and will continue when man is gone.
As a professional climate scientist, I'm afraid you're not correct. The climate evidence is very, very clear. And probably the clearest evidence of all comes from ancient records where we can actually see what the planet was like before humans were involved. This is why climate scientists, 99% on almost every study of climate scientists, shows that we're as unanimous as the scientific community ever gets, and that this evidence is real and that it's happening, and it's happening on every scale, from the ice caps to the ocean. Every place we look, we get the same answer.
기후변화 회의론자는 이후에 자신이 아는 과학자들은 모두 이 남자의 말과 반대의 의견을 내었다고 주장합니다. 이에 레오나르도 디카프리오는 말합니다.
I believe that mankind has looked at climate change in that same way, as if it were a fiction, as if pretending that climate change wasn't real would somehow make it go away. But I think we all know better than that now. Every week we're seeing new and undeniable climate events, evidence that accelerated climate change is here right now. Droughts are intensifying, our oceans are acidifying, with methane plumes rising up from the ocean floor. We are seeing extreme weather events and the West Antarctic and Greenland ice sheets melting at unprecedented rates, decades ahead of scientific projection. And none of it is hysteria, it is fact. The scientific community knows it, industry knows it, governments know it, even the United States military knows it. To be clear, this is not about just telling people to change their light bulbs or to buy a hybrid car. This disaster has grown beyond the choices that individuals make. This is now about our industries and our governments around the world taking decisive, large-scale action. Now must be our moment for action.
놀랍게도 이 영상은 9년 전인 2014년에 레오나르도 디카프리오가 유엔에서 한 연설입니다. 기후변화에 관한 각자의 믿음은 정치나 종교 같아서 매우 굳건하고 한번 자신이 정한 성향으로부터 벗어나기 매우 힘듭니다. 요즘 기후변화에 관한 경고에 관한 뉴스가 자주 나옵니다. 우리는 비관론, 게으름, 절망, 그리고 변화를 싫어하는 권력으로부터 포기하면 안된다고 생각합니다. 어떤 사람은 탄산칼슘이나 황산염을 하늘에서 뿌리면 막이 생겨서 태양열을 반사시킬 수 있다는 황당한 의견을 내기도 합니다. 하지만 잘못하면 설국열차 오프닝으로 시작될 수도 있겠죠. 기후변화에 관한 더 많은 영상은 다음 추천 영상을
So
they're all
that's
climate
clearly.
scientists. That's
Oh,
the point.
yes, they
No,
are.
actually doing climate research and publishing in it.
Yes, they are.
I don't believe
Yes,
it.
they are.